An offshore earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 5.7 struck Batangas province in the Philippines, south of Manila, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said. The institute said the quake, which struck at 11:08 p.m. local time, hit at a depth of 113 kilometers, about 15 kilometers south of Calatagan. The agency said the quake was tectonic in origin. No aftershock or damages expected. The quake was felt in Metro Manila, Oriental Mindoro Province and Bulacan Province, the institute added. Meanwhile, according to a statement from the Malaysian Meteorological Department, MIT Malaysia, the earthquake with a depth of 10 kilometers occurred at a location 187 kilometers southeast of Davao, the Philippines.